Hi there! Today we're going to have an art lesson. And for our art lesson today, we're going to draw some spring flowers. My favorite flower, I think, the tulip. You've probably noticed tulips blooming all around town, and I really love tulips. So I thought this was the perfect time to learn how to draw one. Okay, so you've got your paper. All you need is a blank piece of paper and a pencil for this part. And I want you to think about the middle, and we're gonna work in the top half right now. So probably about 2 fingers down, that's where we're gonna start. Not quite in the center, a little bit off. So the first shape we're gonna make is kind of like a U shape, like this, with a little lip on either side, like that. Then we're gonna come up from the U, and we're gonna make a little arch kind of in the middle like that. And then from this U on the side, I'm gonna bring that in like that. And the same on the other side. And there's our first tulip. Now we're gonna add the stem on this tulip. Tulips have very sturdy, straight stems, so we're just gonna do a nice straight stem, not too wide, not too thin. And they stand very nice and tall. Next, we're gonna add a big leaf. Now, tulips have very big leaves. So what we're gonna do is try to think of an S shape, and we're gonna do an S shape like this. And then we're just going to follow that back down. Now I'm going to put another tulip behind this leaf, and I'm going to draw it a little bit taller than this tulip. So the same shape, the same U shape. Like that. And then kind of a little arch shape. And those are the petals. Okay, now I'm going to put the stem behind this leaf. So I'm going to have to think about how it goes behind that leaf and follow it down. There we go. This time I'm going to do a leaf on this side, and it's also going to be behind this leaf. So I'm thinking of a backwards S now. So I'm going to come up and then like that. And my third tulip, I think probably about the same size as this one. So right here, another U shape. And the petals. There we go. And the stem, nice and straight. And then a leaf, and this leaf is going to go behind this tulip as well. So it's going to go and then behind this leaf as well, like that. And I'll have this leaf here just kind of going off the page. Now we've got our tulips drawn with a nice straight stems. Now we're going to color them. Tulips are always nice, bold, bright colors. My favorite tulips, I think, are always the red ones. So I'm going to color my tulips red. But you'll often see them pink, purple, orange, yellow, very bright and bold colors. And actually, I think I'm going to outline my tulips first. And then I'm going to color my tulips in red. There's my red tulips. Next, we're going to work on the stems. Now you can color your tulips in felt or pencil crayon or crayon. It really doesn't matter. If you have paints at home, you could even use paints. For the stem, I'm going to use dark green on the stem, and I'm going to outline the leaves in the dark green. And then I'm going to color the leaves themselves a different green. You'll see. I'm also going to add some lines that help highlight the curves of the leaves. So wherever there's some curves, I'm going to do a few lines like that. There we go. And actually I'm going to color the whole stem in darker green. There we go. And now I'm going to color my leaves in a lighter green. There, that's the leaves. And for my final step, I'm going to put the tulips growing in the dirt. Ooh, I guess that's my dirt. Now, if you really wanted to finish this off beautifully, you could add the blue sky behind all the way down to meet the dirt. If we were doing this with paint or pastels in the classroom, that's what we'd do. We'd do the paint in there right down to the bottom, or the pastels. So I hope you enjoyed drawing tulips today, and maybe the next time you go for a walk, you can look for tulips outside. See you next time.